An update after a former Norman High School teacher, Summer Boismiller, had her certificate revoked.
News 4's Spencer Humphrey is here with why Superintendent Ryan Walters told a federal judge the board made the decision on Boismiller.
Yeah, well, we now know Walters and the state school board voted to revoke Boismiller's certificate for the same reason they've been saying all along, that she violated a state law that federal courts say can't be enforced.
Well, she broke the law.
Now, thanks and only thanks to a federal judge's order, we know that law State Superintendent Ryan Walters and state school board members claimed Summer Boismiller broke when they revoked her teaching certificate last month was House Bill 1775, a law the state is not supposed to be enforcing right now. This after on Thursday, Walters and the board gave that federal judge their official order revoking Boismiller's certificate. In that order, Walters claims Boismiller intended to entice her students to seek out and read inappropriate books by posting a link to a public library's website in her classroom. He wrote Boismiller willfully violated state laws, including House Bill 1775. But if you remember, a federal judge hearing a lawsuit over House Bill 1775 banned the state from enforcing most of it while the lawsuit is going on. So, if you look at that order revoking Boismiller's certificate, you'll notice a footnote claiming nothing in that order relied on the parts of 1775 the judge ordered not be enforced, without saying which specific part it did rely on.
They didn't even dissect anything out of House Bill 1775.
State Senator Mary Boren isn't sure how well that argument will hold up.
I think that's very curious to me that they think that they can get away with enforcing House Bill 1775 and try to cover themselves in a footnote.
Footnote or not, she says it shouldn't matter because a fact-finding investigation by the Attorney General's office last year found Boismiller did not willfully violate any law at all, not even House Bill 1775.
They're disregarding a fact-finder's conclusions.
In a statement, Boismiller's attorney told me in part, as we expected, the order we received today doesn't hold up to any serious scrutiny. It should be an easy call for the courts to overturn it since Walters chose to throw out the actual facts and law in the case to get the results he wanted and campaigned on.
And their intent is to enforce House Bill 1775 against teachers in Oklahoma, even though the federal court told them that they can't do that.
Now, as always, I reached out to the State Department of Education to give them a chance to share where they're coming from on all this. I asked their spokesperson specifically to help me understand how that footnote doesn't contradict the reasons Walters cited in his order. I got no response.